help us understand what to make of the market moves is now Aditya Agarwala, who's the head of research and investments at Invest for You. Thank you very much, Aditya, for joining us here on ET Now. First things first, we were seeing an up move in the markets, during the past few hours, but now markets back in the red territory. Help us understand what is happening, because we're beginning a new month now. So what lies ahead? What are you anticipating?
Hi, good afternoon. Thanks for the show. I believe markets are in more of a consolidation phase as we speak at the moment after a recent up move of 7 trading sessions. Markets has gone into a consolidation phase, which is very normal and natural trajectory for a market after a sharp up move that you see. On the downside, 23,400 to 500 is a good support area. And if you see today's the first day of the new expiry, markets are usually tepid, and plus we are heading into a long weekend as well, Monday being a trading holiday. I think you will have lighter positions being taken over the weekend as far as Nifty and the Bank Nifty is concerned, which is why you are seeing very tepid performance both on the Nifty and the Bank Nifty front. But I believe going ahead as we move into the expiry, April expiry, you will have fresh long positions being added in the Nifty and the Bank Nifty both. And I wouldn't be surprised if from here on Nifty goes on to test the 200 DMA as well, which is somewhere around 24,000, 24,100. And looks like the undertone of the market has turned bullish from being cautiously optimistic a month back to now being a bullish outlook both for the Nifty and the Bank Nifty. And today, what we're witnessing is an outperformance from the broader markets, which is very normal and the course of action when usually the first leg of rally is seen by the large caps and then it trickles down to the broader markets. So it's a typical kind of a market where we are seeing consolidation in the large caps after a good up move, followed by an up move in the broader markets, which is the small cap and the mid cap. So maybe come next week, I would want to initiate fresh long positions in the Nifty, look for a target of 23,800, about 24,100 on the upside. And if I talk about Bank Nifty, I think the PSU banks are gearing up for a big up move on the upside. So the next leg of rally in the banking could come from the PSU lot, and SBI, Bank of India, PNB, Canara Bank, all these would be your normal suspects who could lead the rally in the Bank Nifty as well. And from here on, Bank Nifty can actually see a good 4 to 5% outperformance in the April expiry we talk about.
Okay, thanks for that view, Aditya. This is Nehi also joining in. Just want to get your sense on the kind of moves that we've been seeing with the India VIX lately, right? Because, 5 trading sessions this week, 2 of them we've seen some significant profit booking happening, some correction coming back into the market. India VIX has held on, pretty stable amid a market like this. And today, in fact, it's lower by more than 5%. We're now in the 12.5 range. We've fluctuated a lot in terms of the India VIX over the course of the week. Help us understand what's driving this kind of volatility when it comes to the VIX itself.
So Sneh, hi, good afternoon. I think this shows the comfort in the market participants now. The kind of cool off that you're seeing in the VIX for the past few trading sessions, and especially if you look at the way the VIX has corrected in trade today, it clearly shows the kind of confidence that the market participants have now on the Nifty and the overall markets. There is no panic as such, which was there about a month back, and it's comfortable condition situation, which bodes very well heading into the new expiry. This tells you that though VIX has a tendency to come back to its mean, so it will continue to oscillate between about 12 to about 14 on the upside and 12 or 11 on the downside. So we're sitting comfortably at current levels, and I think so this gives you the comfort of going fresh long in the markets, both on the Nifty and the Bank Nifty, and there are pockets which will continue to outperform. So more of a switch from one sector to the other now, Snehi, that we are witnessing, and that's likely to continue. So this 5% correction that we're witnessing in VIX is actually a comforting factor rather than anything, any kind of a panic situation, even though markets are a little down. This shows the comfort that the traders and the market participants have on the Nifty and the Bank Nifty now.
Right, Aditya. So you're saying that the correction that we're seeing as of now is more of a comfort factor for market participants, but which stocks are looking attractive to you as of now?
There were a couple of buy recommendations, and I picked up both the stocks who have been beaten down off late and offers an excellent risk to reward and can give you good value on the upside. So the first one that I'm going for is Havells. Again, this stock has borne the brunt because of all the news flows surrounding around the cables and the wires businesses that multiple companies are entering into. But at current levels, looks attractive. Risk reward is in favor of going long at current levels. Look for a target of 1600 to about 1700 on the upside. In Havells with a stop loss at 1500, I would initiate a fresh long positions here. And with summer kicking in, you will have these companies start to outperform again. So Havells will be the first bet for me. Can be bought for an intraday target of 1600. A positional target of 1700 here can also be seen in the near term. The second stock is Swiggy. Actually, this is one stock which has corrected post its IPO and has been on a one-way slide. If I recall correctly, I think it's trading below its IPO price as well at this current price of time. Offers an excellent risk to reward. Again, charts do suggest that it's more or less forming a bottom. On the upside, it can test levels of 385 to about 400 with a stop loss at 320 on the downside. I think so. This is also something which can be looked at for a fresh long edition.
Aditya, very surprising to hear your view on Swiggy because, limited chart history, so not a lot of charters speak about this one. So, good to hear about that stock. But on that note, we'll let you go. So, Havells and Swiggy's Aditya's top picks. Aditya, thanks for joining us with your market outlook as well as a stock-specific recommendation. But let's also take it.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.